Hi-yo, silver! Just silver. We've got another pack, boys. This is Zlatan. Zlatan, where? Or CR7? Where? Just anyone. Give. Yeah. That's quick maps for you guys. Anyone, give. Apparently I'm fucking bad at unboxing these, but you know. You do what you're gonna do. We've got veteran Koroluka. Good player, underrated. Niklas Bentner, yeah. Spain, 2008. Dimitris Salpingidis and the wrong Portuguesian. Albeit Contrao is really good, but we want CR7. Bye-bye.